Welcome to Tasley Digotin International Digital. I'm super excited to bring this course across your way. Once again, this is Tasley Digotin International Digital, a channel where we develop greatness, optimize tomorrow, build digital skill, and build success. In this digital marketing YouTube mastery course, you will discover how to do the following. Number one, you're going to discover how to find and attract your ideal customer. You're going to discover how to design stunning flyers, banners, and promo videos, how to build website from scratch with zero coding, how to write persuasive sales copies that drives conversion, how to grow your sales using email marketing and automation, how to run powerful ads on Facebook, Instagram, Google, and YouTube, and how to retarget visitors and boost your sales. And that's not all. How to start working as a freelancer and earning dollars. I'm very sure you are super excited by this information. What are you waiting for? Click on that subscribe button. At the same time, turn on the notification bell. And that's not all. Stay put and watch this video till the end. If I may ask, who is this course for? Who are those that are interested in this course? Do you want to know? I think it's important I tell you. Number one, this course is for business owners, for freelancers, for social media influencers, for job seekers, for aspiring digital marketers, for anyone ready to launch a successful online business. Here is what you will learn in this course. This is the most interesting part of this course. These are all you are going to be learning in this course. Number one, introduction to digital marketing, copywriting and graphics designs, video editing and website creation, landing pages, sales funnel and opt-in pages, Facebook and Instagram, Google and YouTube ads, email marketing, Google Analytics, freelancing strategies that pays, plus access to templates, tools and support community to guide you. Remember, no experience is needed. We start from scratch and guide you step by step. I'm sure you're interested in diving into the course proper. If you are interested in that, watch the video to the end and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. At the same time, turn on the notification bell. Thank you. See you in my next video.